The Montana Stencil Spray is ideal for plotter works and stencil art projects. It offers a high-quality paint formula with a permanent finish that is low odor and ultra-fast drying. Say goodbye to sticky tools and long drying times. Shake well for a minimum of 3 minutes. Remove the safety ring under the nozzle or cap. Spray at a distance of 15 centimeters. Apply in thin layers for best results. Allow stencils to dry briefly before restacking stencil foils. Perfect for paper, cardboard, and foil, but also on other surfaces like wood, concrete, or brick. It offers excellent coverage with no paint bleeding and a great adhesion. Montana Stencil Spray is dust dry after approximately 30 seconds, touch dry after 1 minute, and fully cured after 2 hours. Drying time varies with temperature, humidity, and coat thickness. Avoid using directly over Montana gold, black, and effect paints to prevent cracking. It can be top-coated once fully cured. The stencil spray is perfect for small and detailed work, less ideal for smooth metals and large surface areas, as it may lead to uneven patches. It is compatible with flat jet medium, wide, and calligraphy cabs. Make every stencil jobs quicker, cleaner, and more precise. Montana Stencil Spray designed for professionals, perfect for everyone. Highest quality made in Germany.